Hey guys, welcome to Sarvaruchi. This is Gautami. Today I am sharing an easy and simple way of preparing homemade butter and ghee. It is an essential and important ingredient used in every Indian households. There are many ways to make butter and ghee. Today I am showing how to prepare butter and ghee with milk. Process: first I am taking 1 liter of milk. This is a pasteurized standardized milk. Now transfer the milk to the saucepan. Don't add water. Switch on the flame and place it on the stove. Allow it to boil for 6 to 7 minutes in the high flame. Once foam appears, don't spill out the milk foam. After 6 to 7 minutes, we can see the foam. Immediately off the flame. Allow to cool completely. After few minutes, it is cooled completely and refrigerate it for 5 hours. After 5 hours, we can see the cream solidified. Now separate the cream. Cream is also known as malai. It is separated. This is the accumulated cream every day. I have collected this type of cream from 10 days. That is from 9 liters of milk. And this is refrigerated in freezer. Now add today's cream into it. Mix it once. And keep it aside for 4 hours. After 4 hours, it is completely cooled. Now transfer this into the white bowl. Now add 1 cup of chilled water. Churn it well. By churning the milk cream, it will convert from dilute to semi-solid. That means it will separate butter from buttermilk. It takes nearly 8 to 9 minutes. After 8 to 9 minutes, we can see the separation of the butter of fat from the cream. Take out the butter from the blender. Knead well. Now separate the butter from the buttermilk. This buttermilk can be used for many preparations. Take out the butter and place in another bowl. Take all the butter. After separating butter from the buttermilk, this buttermilk can be used as a drink by adding few ingredients like chopped chilies, chopped coriander leaves and chopped ginger along with required salt. This is one of the healthy, refreshing and cooling drink. We can see the clear buttermilk. This is the separated butter. Now add 1 cup of chilled water. Rinse it thoroughly for 4 to 5 times in chilled water. Rinse the butter gently to remove the milk solids. We used to squeeze out the milk as much as possible because the cream is stored for 10 days. This is the unsalted butter. To prepare salted butter, just add little salt in the water and rinse it thoroughly. Then it will become salted butter and store at refrigerator for many purposes. Repeat this process until the water is clear. It is almost done. Now transfer to a bowl. This is the homemade butter. It is widely used in baking to add texture and volume to baked goods and desserts. It can be spread on breads and roasted veggies and many more. Now transfer this butter to a pan. Switch on the flame. Place the kadai on the stove. Heat it on medium flame. Stir it once Heat to melt butter completely. Do it in a medium flame. After a few minutes it is completely melted. Stir it once. Allow to boil for 10 minutes in the medium flame. You can see the milk solids are separating. Stir it once again. By stirring occasionally, it won't stick to the bottom. Again allow to boil for 4 to 5 minutes. It is completely cleared. After few minutes we can see the milk solids turns brown. That means almost done. Before switching off the flame, now add 3 curry leaf stalk. Off the flame and allow to cool completely. After few minutes it is cooled completely. Now strain it well. We can see the pale yellow or golden color. So this is known as pure ghee. For pure ghee, the color should be a pale yellow or golden. Strain well. That's it. Homemade ghee is ready. Ghee is good source of energy for children. Store in airtight container. It is packed with saturated fatty acids which provides energy and stamina for children. After 6 hours, we can see the solidified and granular texture. It is a perfect texture for a pure ghee. Try at home. Do like, share and subscribe if you are not subscribed, and also share your opinion in the comment box. Thank you. Bye bye.